guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your active listings on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on my listings here, just click on it. So then it's gone. When you click here on my listings, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click just switching to open video here. Then here you will find your listings, active listings in here pending. Then deactivate in here sold expire. So I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.